Section F, problem 4. Here we have to define global variables. So let's do that first. A is 56, B 11, and C is 38 degrees. So 38 and select degrees. Okay. Now let's start from the top plane. Sketch the base. Two circles. This is equal to A. And this distance is equal to B into 3. Now for the holes we can first create a center line, create a circle. This dimension is equal to B multiplied by 2 divided by 3, and from this point the distance is equal to B. Now we can use circular pattern to pattern this hole. We need 12 of them. Constrain, drag one out and put it back. We can go to extrude. This is equal to B. Now to create this feature, we can create an axis here and these two circles and revolve it around this axis. Let's do that. Sketch on this plane. You can convert this circle, create another one. This distance is given equal to B. Now we can create an axis of infinite length. It just needs to be vertical, and we can create a point here to give dimension. From this point, this is 78. Now we can revolve this. The angle is equal to C. Now we can sketch on this plane. Sketch a circle. We can just convert this one and define this distance equal to B into 3. And again the holes, you can do the same process. This is equal to B into 2 by 3. And the distance from this point equal to B. So let's go to circular pattern. This is taking the origin as the center, but we need this point, so let's just drag this here. Now we need 12 circles. So 12, to constrain, drag one out and put it back. Again go to extrude. This is equal to B. This is done. Now let's add the fillets. There are 8 fillets of radius 2 mm. 1, 2. Select this face, select only the edge. is right, and also this one. We got 4, and 4 will be on the bottom, the last one. So the part is complete now. You can add the material AISI 304. Let's check the mass, 2962.54. Let's check with the answer, 2962.54. So this is correct. Now let's move to part B. Edit the equation, edit the variables. This is 48, this is 9, and this is 43. Let's check the mass again, 1933.33. 1933.33. So this is also correct. Let's move to the third part. Again, changing the variables. This is 82. This is 13.5 and 24.5 degrees. Let's check again. 5024.75. 5024.75. So all the answers of this part are correct. Next part in the next video. Thank you.